Select the type tool. The font I'm using is Poppins. The style is extra bold, and for the size we'll go with 1000 pixels. Press enter. And now tap your letter, select the move tool, center the text layer, right click on the text layer and then rasterize, and now right click on the text and then select blending options, select gradient overlay, the style is linear, and now left click, I'm going to change the color, double click on the white color, let's change it into a blue color, press OK, press OK, and now I'm just going to change the angle, so I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK, and now select the rectangle shape tool, left click, hold the shift key, and then drag to create a square, left click on the fill, select gradient, and now I'm going to change the angle. I want the black color on the upper side, and then left click on the gradient, and now I'm going to change the white color, double click on the white, I'm going to change it into gray, press OK, and then press OK, and now select the move tool, going to move the rectangle inside here, and now select the rectangle layer, hold the shift key, and then left click on the D layer, right click, and then select convert to smart object, and now double click on the smart object. So here we are inside the smart object, select the move tool, and now I'm going to move the rectangle to the bottom left corner. So here, as you can see, it snaps. Once you're done, go to file and then select save smart object, and now you can delete your smart object here, and now go to edit, transform, and then select warp, and now I'm just going to move this layer here upward, so like this, and I'll just click on this icon here to confirm, and now right click on the layer, on the text layer, select blending options, and now I'm just going to add the slight drop shadow. Once you're done, press OK,